Hi, here is Ali Al-Alawi, and today I'm going to present the idea of my mini project. So the idea is to have a small simple piano using a PWM speaker and push buttons, in which that every button uh, plays a different tune or note depending on its frequency. The idea was to have the main seven notes on a musical scale, which are Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si. These notes were varying between a frequency of 440 Hz and 500 Hz. But because of the limitations of the simulator, some of notes which have a similar frequency are identical. So, for example, the note or the tone of 400 Hz and the tone of 500 Hz are identical. So, most of the tones will be the same. So, instead of that, I uh, I made the differential. I made a different frequency for each button, starting from 150 Hertz to 600 Hertz. So I will play them now. And the switch here will play a music showing on the screen a stickman dancing on it, and the two LED lights switching on and off. So the reason of choosing a switch instead of a button, that the music will continue playing on and on until just I switch it off. So this was a brief introduction to the uh, the idea of the main project. Thank you for listening.